Today concept is test development.
Mm-hmm.
Test development. In this test development, we will discuss today concept use case.
Use
Which one?
case.
Use case. What is use case? Use case is nothing but it will describe the all the it will describe the all the functionalities in the application. It will describe the all the functionalities in the application. For example, one user means actor.
Mm-hmm.
If you do any action, if you do any action,
Yes.
what is the response it will show you? What is the response? It will show you. That is called use case. Use case is nothing but it will describe the all the functionalities in the application. If at all
Mm-hmm.
a actor, if you do any action, what is the response? It will show you that is use case. Wherever you go, wherever you go, wherever you go, each and every software company they will give a forest document as well as use
Mm-hmm.
case document. One is FRS document. FRS means functional requirement specification. The document, that requirements that are given by the customer directly. That is
Mm-hmm.
FRS document. Based on the FRS document, business analyst will prepare use case document. Based on the FRS, use case document will prepared by business analyst. Business analyst will prepare the use case document. After getting job, okay, if it is any project, first of all they will give FRS document as well as use case document. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
only if you get only use case document, you can't understand the requirements very clearly. Okay,
Okay.
that's the reason each and every software company people will be give use case document. Using use case document, we can understand the requirements very clearly. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
without use case document, we can't understand the all the requirements. Why? Because based on the FRS only, business analyst will prepare the use case document. Use case is nothing but it will describe the all the functionalities in the application. If it all a actor, if you do any action, what is the response? It will show you use case. So based on the FRS document only, he will prepare the use case document. For example, you want one website, you will go to one designer place. So you will tell the all the requirements very clearly. After telling the requirements, business analyst, sorry, that designer also will add some more points, madam. You said some
Mm-hmm.
points, so this is not enough for to develop this particular website. So nowadays, number of people they are choosing this type of websites. So it is very good, and it is we're looking for if you want good website or if you want a rich website, if you want class website, so you should follow some more points. Means you need to add some more points. He will add some more points.
Mm-hmm.
That is called use case document. Here also, FRS documents given by customer. Based on the
Mm-hmm.
FRS, he will prepare one use case document. Use case is nothing but he will add some more points. Business analyst will add some more points. That is called use case document.
Okay.
What is use case? Now I will explain you.
Mm-hmm.
Customer want one application, that is calculator application. He is saying only one requirement. The requirement is add button should work fine. Customer is saying only one requirement, that is add button should work fine.
Mm-hmm.
That is customer requirement. Business analyst will write the use case for this particular requirement.
Okay.
That is just take 10 in the place of value 1. Just take 20 in the place of value 2. If you click on add button, result should be 30. This is the customer requirement. So based on the customer requirement, you will write one use case. This is the use case. Customer requirement is add button should work fine. Business analyst wrote one use case, that is go this one. Which one you can get? Which one is better? First one or second one?
Second one.
Yeah, what we need to do, he will explain you very clearly. So using this
Okay.
use case document, we can do our work very easy. That's the reason wherever you go, each and every software company, they will give FRS document as well as use case document also. Just based on the use case, we will take 10 in the place of value 1, we will take 20 in the place of value 2, and if I click on add button, 30 is coming or not, I will check. So
Mm-hmm.
what we need to do, everything he will explain in use case document. So this use case document also very important. Not only FRS, use case document also
Mm-hmm.
very important. Use case document also very important. Right.
Important.
Okay. Yeah. Use case document prepared by business analyst. That is
Mm-hmm.
prepared by business analyst. That is a business analyst task. But still, we will learn how to prepare use case document. Today concept is how to prepare use case document. Today concept is
Mm-hmm.
how to prepare
To
use case
prepare use
document.
case documents.
How to prepare? How to prepare?
Use case documents.
How to? Yes. Now I will show you, madam. Yes. If we want to prepare use case document, compulsory we should have four things. If we want,
14.
if we want,
Yeah.
slowly I will tell you, madam. Today onwards, every point is very important. If we want to prepare use case document, we need to have four things. We need to have four things. One is FRS. FRS means functional requirement specification, that
Mm-hmm.
requirements that are given by the customer directly. And we can
Mm-hmm.
say explicit requirements also. We can say explicit requirements. Explicit requirements. After FRS, business analyst to add some more points, that is special requirements.
Mm-hmm.
These requirements we can call implicit requirements. Very important, madam. Implicit
Mm-hmm.
requirements. And we need to have one use case template. No need of this one, but still we should know use case
Yes.
template. We need to have one use case template and one screenshot. If you have these things, you can prepare. We can prepare use case document also. First of all, we
Mm-hmm.
need to have FRS. FRS means customer requirements. Special requirements that is given by business analyst. Okay. And use case template. If you want write the use cases, compulsory we need to have one use case template. And the screenshot, application screenshot we need. If you have these
Mm-hmm.
four things, we can prepare use case documents.
Mm-hmm.
We can prepare use case documents.
Documents.
Yes. So now we will prepare use case documents today. First we will discuss about FRS. First I will show you application.
Mm-hmm.
This is a screenshot, madam. Customer wants this type of application, madam. Customer wants this type of application. Customer wants
Okay.
this type of application. So customer is saying requirements. I will write here, understand very clear. It's very easy, madam. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Customer saying requirements, that is FRS. One requirement. First requirement is saying, okay, this is the screenshot, madam. Customer want this type of application. He is giving one screenshot, madam, and he is telling
Mm-hmm.
requirements also.
Mm-hmm.
The screen name is login screen, login application. Login application,
Mm-hmm.
login application should have username, password, connect to fields, comma, login, comma, clear, comma, cancel buttons. This is the first requirement. Whenever invoke the application, the login screen, the login application should contain username,
Mm-hmm.
password, connect to fields, and login, clear, cancel buttons. That is the first requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Login screen should contain Login screen should contain username, password, connect to fields, and login, clear, cancel button. So that is the first requirement. He is saying.
Yes.
Second requirement. Second requirement. Connect to is not a connect to is not a mandatory field.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever user requires whenever user requires, he can select a database option. Okay. He's saying second
Mm-hmm.
requirement. First
Mm-hmm.
requirement is login screen should contain username, password, connect to fields, login, clear, cancel buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Second requirement to connect to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user requires, he can select a desired database option. Without selecting this database option, we can give username and password directly. We can click on login button. We can go to next page. Here he
Yes.
is saying very strictly, connected to is not a mandatory field.
Mm-hmm.
If you want, he can select. Otherwise, he can leave it. All right.
Okay.
Third requirement. After entering username, comma password, next page must be open. After entering username and password, next page must be open.
Must open.
Here, three types of users. Wherever you go, if it is any application, there are two types of users, madam. One is normal
Mm-hmm.
user, other one is admin user. If it is normal user, home page must be open. If it is admin user, admin page must be open. If it is normal user,
Okay.
home page. If it is admin user, admin page must be open. If it is normal user, home page. If
Oh,
it is admin user, admin page must be
okay.
open. Okay, there are two types of users. One is normal user, other one is admin user. If it is normal
Mm-hmm.
user, home page. If it is admin user, admin page must be open.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
right. Fourth requirement. After click on clear button, all the fields must be cleared and and cursor cursor should be placed in the username field. Okay. After click on
Mm-hmm.
the clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. UN field means
Mm-hmm.
username field.
Yes.
Next, fifth requirement is saying after click on cancel button, after click on cancel button, application should be closed. Application should be
Application.
should be closed. Application should be closed.
Oh.
These requirements given by customer. Okay, customer is saying five requirements. Login screen should contain username, password, connect to fields, and login clear cancel buttons. Second requirement, connect to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user requires, he can select a desired database option. After clicking on username and after entering username and password, next page must be open. After click on username, password, and click on login button, next page must be open. Okay, madam.
Yes.
After click on clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. After click on cancel button, application must be closed. These requirements given by customer, that is called FRS.
Okay.
And after that, business analyst add some more requirements, that is called special requirement.
Mm-hmm.
First requirement, whenever invoke the application, login, comma, clear should be disabled. Okay. Whenever invoke the
Mm-hmm.
application, login and clear should be disabled. Should be disabled. Should be disabled. Why he is saying?
But because this is a business analyst special requirement.
Right. Why
And
he is saying? And he is saying cancel button always enable. That is the application, madam. Whenever
mm-hmm.
invoke the application, login clear button must be disabled. So
Disable.
that buttons are disabled. Right now you can get in application also. That buttons are disabled. Why? Why he is saying? Beyond that,
Why?
we have one reason. What is that reason?
Mm-hmm.
General knowledge question, madam. Just I will tell you, madam. Without
Mm-hmm.
giving username, password, if it is login button, clear button, if it is disabled or enabled, no use. That's the reason he's saying whenever invoke the application, login clear button should be disabled. Oh. And he's saying cancel button always enabled. Why he's saying okay, at any point of time, user can close the application. I opened this application, but I don't have right mood. I want to
Okay.
close. So at any point of time, I can close the application. That's the reason he's saying cancel button always enabled.
Okay.
And third point, third point, after giving username, comma, password, then only login button must be enabled. After giving the username and password, then only
Mm-hmm.
login button must be enabled.
Never.
Fourth point. After entering any information into any of the field, any of the field, clear button must be enabled. After entering any information into any of the field, okay, if you are entering single character also, that clear button must be enabled.
Mm-hmm.
And fifth point, the tapping order must be username, comma, password, comma, connected to, comma, login, comma, clear, login, comma, clear, comma, cancel. The tabbing order must be username, password, connect to,
Or
login,
love
clear, cancel
button.
buttons.
Ah,
Okay, if we want to prepare use case document, compulsory we need to have one FRS, one screenshot, and special requirements and use case template. So
mm-hmm.
first one is finished, second one is finished, first one is template finished,
Mm-hmm.
FRS finished, and
Mm-hmm.
special requirements also over. Next, last
Mm-hmm.
one, use case template.
Use these documents.
Use case template. In this use case, we have some fields. First one, name of the use case. Name of the use case.
Use case.
We can give login use case. Application name is login use case.
Use case.
Brief description of use case. It will describe all the functionalities in the application. It will describe all the functionalities. It will describe all the functionalities in the application.
Mm-hmm.
First field, name of the use case. This is the test case template first field. Sorry, use case template first field. Second, brief description of use case. Third field, actors involved. How many users is there?
How many?
How many users? Actors
One.
involved. Two users, madam.
Oh
One is
yeah.
normal user,
One is admin.
admin user. These are the actors. The actors means users.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Next, requirements. There are two requirements. One is the explicit requirements. Second one is implicit requirements. Requirement. There are two types of requirements. One is explicit requirements. Explicit requirements is nothing but FRS.
FRS.
Implicit requirements is nothing but
Ex- special requirements.
special requirements. Special. All right. And preconditions. Based on the customer requirement, this application is developed or not. How you know that developer application should be there in testing area?
Mm-hmm.
Developed application should be there in testing area. Post conditions. If it is right username, if it is a right username or valid username,
Valid username.
it will open next page. Next page. If it is admin, if it is wrong username, it will open error. It will show you error message.
Error. Yes.
Okay. Your
Okay.
precondition is developer application must be available in testing area. Then only we can do based on the customer
Mm-hmm.
requirement that application is developed or not. How you know the developer application must be available in testing area? Then only we can say. And
Mm-hmm.
post conditions. Post conditions. If it is a valid username, valid password, it will open next page. Okay. If it is wrong username, wrong password, it will show error message.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the use case template. In the use case template, we have some fields: name of the use case, brief description of use case, actors involved, requirements, precondition, post conditions. Enough. Next, flow of events. Next, flow of events. Next, flow of events. I will show you.
Okay.
Next, flow of events. Next, I will show you flow of events. First, we have screenshot and we have FRS document and
Mm-hmm.
special requirements we have and use case
Mm-hmm.
template we have. If we have these four things, we can prepare use case document very comfortably.
Mm-hmm.
Right. What is the use case? Now we will discuss. Hmm. Yes. Flow of events. There are two flows. One is main flow, other one is
Alternative flow.
okay. Now tell me. You need to tell. Hmm. First, the action. Actor invokes the application. What is the response?
Login screen is displayed with the following fields: username, password, connect to, login, clear and cancel.
Yes. What we need to, oh, this is the use case template, madam. What we need to do, he will explain. Just to actor invokes the application. That means test engineer need to open the login screen. So, he's
Okay.
saying response. Login screen displayed with the following fields: username, password, connect to, login, clear, cancel buttons. It is displaying or not, we can check it. If it is
Okay.
displaying, application is properly working. Otherwise, the application is not properly working.
Okay.
Next, actor enters valid username and valid password and click on login button. What is the response?
Either home page or admin page is displayed depending up on the actor entered by the authenticating.
If it is normal user enters valid username and valid password, it will open home page. If it is admin user, if he giving username and password, that time it will open admin page based on the
Yeah.
actors. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Actor enters valid username and valid password to select a database option and click on login button.
authenticates either home page or admin page is displayed depending on the action entered with mentioned database
Database.
connection.
Yeah. Yeah, that database connection is not mandatory field. Okay. If you want, you can select the database option, otherwise you can leave it. So based on the database
Okay.
connection, you will connect the database.
Okay.
And actor enters invalid username and valid password and click on login button. What is the response?
Go to the alternative flow table one.
Everyone they are doing, they are reading the notes. That's the reason I
Yeah,
separately
because
maintained
yeah,
alternate table. Now tell me.
yeah. Now you will show me the table.
No, just now actor enters invalid username and valid password and click on login button. What will happen? Tell me. Expect you are giving a wrong username. So what will happen? Error message
Uh,
must be displayed, madam.
okay. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Next,
yeah, yeah. I forgot. Yeah, yeah.
fifth one.
Error
Actor
message.
enters
Yeah.
valid username and invalid password and click on login button. What will happen?
Actor enters valid username, invalid password, and click on invalid password. It will show
Error message
so
only, madam.
your password is wrong.
Yeah,
Try again.
yeah, no. You are entering wrong username and wrong password. Please try again. That means it is the error
Yeah,
message.
try again. Yes,
Yes. Next,
yes.
actor enters both username and password invalid and click on login button. What will happen?
They will say password and username wrong. Please try again.
Oh, that means error message will come. Next,
Yes.
actor enters some information into any of the field and click on clear button. What will happen?
Actor enters some information into any of the fields and click on clear button. Everything will go. It will be clear.
And
And I have no idea.
mhm. After click on clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field.
Oh yeah.
But
The username.
here is
I will only ever be to remember these things if I was when I watch this video 5 times a day. Yeah.
okay. Okay, next actors click on cancel button. What will happen?
The main homepage will come and yeah.
Actors user click on cancel button.
Yes.
What will happen?
I know you told me that before, but I can't
Application
remember.
must be closed, madam.
Yes. Yeah.
You got all the you got alternate table I mentioned. You actor click on cancel button. Login screen close. You go actor enter some information into any of the field and click on clear button. All the fields are cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. I mentioned separate table, alternate table. Okay, flow of events we have two things. One is main flow. Second one is alternate flow. So I
Okay.
will not write just go here main in the main flow table. We are writing only this one and I am navigating you to another alternate table.
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm writing? If I write there only, that will be lengthy. That's the reason I'm maintaining alternate flow table. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is the use case document, madam. Based on this use case document, tomorrow we will discuss test case document. Very important. Today I will send you these notes and just you should read all the requirements very clearly and come with confidence. Based on these
Okay.
requirements, tomorrow we will discuss test cases. Where's
Okay.
that's very
Okay.
important. That is the test case document. Wherever you go,
Mm-hmm.
if it is software company, you should know only two things. One is how to understand the customer requirements, and after understanding the
Mm-hmm.
requirements, how to write the test cases. This is our testers' duty, testers' task, testers' work. So
Okay.
just we will stay in test cases concept nearly 3 to 4 days. We will discuss only test cases concept. Tomorrow concept is
Mm-hmm.
test case concept. Based on these requirements only, we will write the test cases tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
I will send you these notes. read all the
Mm-hmm.
requirements very clearly, and this is the
Mm-hmm.
use case document prepared by business analyst. This is not our task, but whenever you are
Mm-hmm.
working with any software company, that company people will be give FRS document as well as use case document. If they give only if they give only FRS document, we can't understand the requirements very clearly. Whenever they are
Mm-hmm.
providing use case document, then only we can understand all customer requirements very clearly. So based on the FRS
Mm-hmm.
document only, business analyst will prepare the use case document. Using this use case document, we can understand all the requirements very clearly. So
Okay.
this is also very very important. How to
Uh-huh.
understand the use case document? Today concept is this use case document prepared by business analyst. This is not our task. Still we learned. Why
Mm-hmm.
we learned? How to understand the how to understand the requirements as well as use case document. What are the main differences between use case and requirement? Based on the requirement only, he will prepare use case document. Using this use case document, we can understand the requirements very clearly.
Yes.
Okay, now I will send you
Yes.
this entire notes, madam. Today I will send you Akhil Reddy full testing notes. I will send you total notes and this recorded
Okay.
file, madam. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow also
Okay.
we have class same time. Tomorrow test case concept. Before that you need to read all the this requirements. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we have class tomorrow same time. Okay, I will,
Is it Thursday tomorrow?
is
Is
it
it Thursday, right?
uh,
Is it Thursday? Um. Okay. Can we change the time for
eh,
tomorrow, if
tell
possible?
me your preferable time.
Um. What is the earlier time you are available?
Earlier time means in the India time evenings only.
In that time, yes. 3:30. 3:30, or
Just make it 4
can
o'clock,
we
madam.
do? Can we 4:30?
4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Make it 4 o'clock.
Okay, 4 o'clock.
Just
Okay.
1.5 hour before, madam.
Okay.
Daily timings
Well,
5:30.
pardon, 1.5 hour. 1.5.
Daily timings is 5:30 India time. Just make it 4
Yes.
4 p.m. India time. Okay, ma.
Okay, 4 p.m. in that time.
Okay, madam. Tomorrow we have class
Okay.
India time 4 p.m.
Very
and
much.
we will
Mhm.
discuss test cases concept. Very very important concept. That is the art of the course. And but
Okay.
before you need to read all the requirements. Then only you can understand tomorrow class. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I will.
I will send you this recorded file or entire notes. I will send you today. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, ma. Take care.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. You too. Bye bye.
Bye, ma.